Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to hide notifications on your lock screen on your iPhone, and it's pretty simple to do. So first of all, please subscribe to this channel and like this video. And now all you have to do is actually to not get notifications, all notifications I mean, is to go to your settings, to your notifications, and then as you can see here there's a show previews option. So you're gonna go here, and as you can see you can do always, when unlocked, only, or never. So if you don't want to get notifications, just make sure to click on never and leave it like that. And now if you want for a specific application to not have notifications from them, to not allow them, all you have to do is just basically scroll down here, choose the application, and click not that allow notifications, toggle off this button, and that's it. So that's how you manage your notifications on your iPhone. And yeah guys, if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.